Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be replacing the oil sight glass here on this 2009 BMW R1200 GS. Now, I did a whole service on this bike prior, and then I went down to check the oil, and I was like, oh my gosh, that sight glass looks horrible. Reached out to the customer, asked him if he wanted a new one. He said, absolutely, go for it. And now the bike's full of clean oil, so what the heck do we do? Well, we dump this thing at about a not quite a 45 degree angle, but get this thing on its side so that it's leaned over enough so there's no oil in that sight glass window. But if you can see on video here, that thing is so foggy, and on top of it, super duper warped. So I don't know if you'll be able to see, but looking at it from like a side profile, really warped. But easy replacement. These things are like 60 bucks for a brand new OEM BMW one. But let's get this thing taken care of. So I actually just had one of my shorts hit 2.2 million views. Actually, it might even been 2.3 by now. Million views on this exact replacement. So first step, we're gonna get this circlip out. So, I mean, since my short got 2.3 million views, I figured I would make a full-length video. Man, this thing is rusted in here. I'm a little nervous that this bike's gonna tip over, but there's a little groove in the casting here that you wedge a little screwdriver in to pop that clip out. Now this is where it kind of gets medieval. So I'm just using a ball peen hammer here. I'm just gonna use a screwdriver or something. This is plastic, this lens. And obviously there's a backer, there's a stainless steel backer, and there's just little tiny holes in it. These plastic pieces are never gonna fall into the engine. See how easy that was? I just popped this out, and then now we're gonna take like a needle nose and just pick out all these little plastic bits. However you wanna do, just whatever you gotta do to get all these little plastic bits out of here. And if you're super worried about one of these bits falling into the engine, just when you get them all out, just try and assemble the sight glass. But I can like literally, none of these pieces are big enough to fall into the engine, so. So I'm gonna use this long skinny pliers here and just pick out all of these pieces. And that's honestly probably good enough for now. Now, using this seal puller, kind of get behind the seal there. And our entire goal here is to do not mess up any of the sealing surface here. So when you're prying on this, be very, very cautious. Get a little bit more of this glass out of here. I think that's probably good right there. Don't want to pry on that oil line. Ooh, just tore it up there. This might prove to be difficult. Voila. So then what we're looking for in here is this inner edge that seal seals onto. None of that can be damaged or chewed up whatsoever. And if it is, not a big deal. You can hit it with a very small, like some fine sandpaper. But as long as this in here is all good, your sight glass will be a good seal in there. Then we got your standard seal driver, a 30 mil socket here. Sight glass goes in there. I'll put in a 1/2 inch extension. I'll put it in backwards. So our driving face is this nice bigger size to distribute the pressure. And what we're gonna do is just drive it in, and then we're going to reinstall. And if you buy the kit from me, it comes with a new circlip, as well as usually I throw in some free merch or some swag who knows? Sometimes I'm feeling kind of generous. So BMWpartsguy.com. Make sure this is all cleaned up. I'm gonna set the sight glass in there like that. Yeah, don't want to go in sideways. I'm just gonna get this started for now. It should kind of slide in, especially if yours has a circlip. The fitment is a little looser than those without a circlip, but this seems to be actually kind of sliding in there. It's taking a significant amount of force, but it's sliding in there pretty good just with my fingers. So on this one, I was actually able to get this fully seated all the way down and bottomed out just with my fingers. And then we're gonna take this circlip and just kind of snap it in there. And that's what's actually going to retain our sight glass. So check that out. Now, let's take this thing up and get this bike upright. Now we got our new sight glass installed and it's looking mint. Thank you so much for watching my sight glass replacement video. I know the process is a little bit medieval, but actually in the BMW instruction, it actually has you use like a 1-inch hole saw and bore into the center of that glass, remove that piece. So when BMW does it, they'll actually be like plexiglass shavings entering your oil. Oh no. This way, nothing enters your oil. Super fast, super easy. I did that in like 30 minutes, being completely honest. So something you can very easily do at home. And if you're looking for the sight glass or yours is cloudy and you want a replacement, BMWpartsguy.com. But as always, have a safe ride.